Second question is, determine the position of the following points in XY plane. That is, in which quadrants they lie. First point is 5, 9. First we should recall that these are our coordinate axes. O is the origin. This is OX. It is X dash, Y, Y dash. We call this quadrant as first quadrant. Second is this quadrant. Third is this quadrant. And fourth is this quadrant. Okay. Now, first point is 5, 9. Means X, on X-axis we are moving 5 units. On Y-axis we are moving 9 units. Both in positive direction. 5 units in positive direction means here 5 units. 9 units in positive direction means upper side. So we will be approaching to this point somewhere here. So this point will lie in the first quadrant. So this point lies in the first quadrant. Okay. -3, 7. X, on X-axis we are moving in the negative direction. Means here. Somewhere here. And Y, on Y-axis we are moving in the positive direction. Means upper side. So we will be approaching somewhere here. So here we have the second quadrant. Correct? 2, -5. 2, -5 means on X-axis we are moving in positive direction. On Y-axis we are moving in the negative direction. Negative direction of Y-axis means downwards. So we will be approaching in the fourth quadrant. So this is our fourth quadrant. This point will lie in the fourth quadrant. Here -3, -5. Now again, now you can guess. See, X, we are on X-axis we are moving in the negative direction because -3 is there. On Y-axis again we are moving in the negative direction, means downwards. We will be here in the third quadrant. So this point will lie in the third quadrant. Now point is 4, 0. 4, 0 means on X-axis we are moving in the positive direction. And on Y-axis we are not moving at all because the coordinate is 0. Means this point 4, 0, this will lie on X-axis. And that will be in the positive direction of X-axis. Then -5, 0. Again, this point here, negative direction means in this direction, and -5 in this direction. After reaching here, on Y-axis we are not moving at all. Means this point will lie in the on the X-axis, but in the negative direction. So it will lie on X-axis here in positive direction of OX, and here in the negative direction of OX. That is in OX dash direction. I hope that this question is now clear to you.